KiwiWrite Math. Alternate math keys. In this tutorial video, we will show you how to access and use KiwiWrite's Math's extra math symbols. This video should be watched after the Getting Started video. The key that looks like this is the space key. Most of the time, you will not need to enter spaces, since KiwiWrite lines up the math for you. But a space key is available if you want it. The ABC key is used to enter words as text. This will be taught in a later video. You might have noticed that some of the math keys have small triangles on them. These keys hold extra math symbols, which we call alternate math keys. Let's learn how to display and use them. Pick any key on the level you are using that has a triangle on it. Press down with your mouse on the key and hold the mouse down for 1 second. If you are using a touchscreen, press and hold down your finger for 1 second. A pop-up list of the alternate symbols for that key will appear. Next, let go of the mouse. We call this a long click or long tap. Now that the pop-up list is displayed, click or tap a symbol to enter it. The on-screen key will also change to display this symbol after that. To enter another symbol from the list, long click or long tap again and click. What if you just want to look at a pop-up list but not enter any symbols? To make the pop-up disappear, click on a blank area near the keys, or click on another key that you want to enter. Don't click on the display area. That will cause other actions and will not make the symbol pop-up disappear. Let's take a quick look at some of the alternate math keys available. The top left key shows different types of units. In Level 1, there are symbols for dollar and cents to help with money, foot and inch symbols, AM and PM for time problems, and a degree sign for temperature. There are also the letters Q, D, and P for money problems. They stand for quarter, dime, nickel, and penny. Level 1 also has the Miscellaneous math symbol key, which provides a colon for writing time amounts, a decimal point for money, and a comma and check mark. On the other levels, the units key provides a percent symbol and additional measurement units. Levels 3 and 4 have options for exponents and subscripts, roots and division, and variables. Level 4 includes additional symbols for summation, constants, miscellaneous math symbols, and trigonometry signs. And that wraps up this video on alternate math keys. Good job! See you next time!